Hello everyone. This paper is general paper KSET 2021. So let's see the answers. First question. Answer the question from first to fifth based on data given below. So the first question's answer is A. 25:1. Second question is total number of employees in company B exceeds the total number of employees in company C by. The answer is C. Third question, what is the total number of officers in the three companies? The total number of officers in the three companies, option A, 56. Question number 4. The difference between the total number of employees in company A and company C is, answer is 112, means option B. Question number 5. The difference in the number of officers in company B and company C is, option A, 4. Question number 6. Given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion A and the other labeled as reason. In sixth question we have doubt, so let's move to the next question. The best way for providing value education is through. Question number 10. NIRF stands for. The correct full form of question number 10 is National Institutional Ranking Framework. Question number 11. An unsolicited email message sent to many recipients at once is a. Answer is spam. Option D. Next question. What is the difference between signal and telegram? So this question also have little bit doubt. So let's move to the next question. Question number 13. Which is the largest TV experiment of India? Option D. SITE. Question number 14. The National Informatics Center launched an instant messaging platform app on the lines of WhatsApp in February 2021. Identify the app as, option A, Sandesh. 15th question. What is dashboard? Dashboard is nothing but information management tool. Option B. Option B is the right answer. Information management tool. Question number 17. What is netnography? Netnography means online ethnography research. Option D is the right answer. Next question. Number 18. Which of these books is authored by Fred N. Kerlinger? Option A is the right answer. Foundation of Behavioral Research. Question number 19. A null hypothesis is called. Its answer is B. Hypothesis that assigns values of 0 to the variable. Next, question number 20. When a research problem is related to heterogeneous population, which of the following is the most suitable sampling method? So the answer is B. Satisfied sampling. Next, 21. What refers to loss of biodiversity? So it has little bit confusion according to me. Decline in variety of living species. These are the most recent incidents. According to WHO, which is the virus that causes COVID-19? Option C is the right answer. SARS-CoV, COVID-2. Next question, which of these is India manufactured COVID vaccine? There is no doubt option D is the right answer, Covaxin. Question number 24. SDGs have specific targets to be achieved by. Option C is the right answer, 2030. Question number 28. Which branch of philosophy deals with knowledge, its structure, method and validity? Answer is C, epistemology. Next, which of the following is the highest level of cognitive ability? Answer is D, evaluating. Next, question number 30. Classroom teaching is a type of. Answer is A, one-way delivery of information. Question number 34. Ideological codes shape our collective perception. Answer of 34th question is perception. A option is the right. What is Twitter handle? Answer is B, Twitter URL. In a certain code language, shoot has been coded as 21, 10, 17, 17, 22. How will you code tally in the same code language? Answer is D, 22, 7, 14, 14, 27. The flowers kept in the basket doubles in every 1 minute. If the basket gets completely full by flowers in 30 minutes, then in how many minutes? Answer is C, 28 minutes. Next, question number 38. Study the following Venn diagram and find the region representing persons who are educated and employed but not confirmed. Answer is C, B and D are not confirmed. Next, in the given figure, circle P represents hardworking people, circle Q represents intelligent people, circle R represents truthful people, and circle S represents honest people. Which region represents the people who are intelligent, honest, and truthful but not hardworking? Correct answer is 6. Next, if red is called air, air is called black, black is called sky, sky is called blue, blue is called wind, and wind is called white, then what is the color of sky? C is the right answer, blue. Forty-one question. There are 20 people working in an office. The first group of 5 workers work during 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. The second group of 10 workers work during 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. and the third group of 5 workers work during 12 noon to 6 p.m. There are 5 computers in the office which all the employees frequently use. During which of the following hours the computers are likely to be used most? The correct answer is B, 12 noon to 2 p.m. Next question, find the missing number in the series. Correct answer is 76. A option is the right one. Next, 43 question. At a railway station, a man said to a woman, a train leaves for New Jalpaiguri after every 1 hour 45 minutes. The last train has already left 50 minutes ago. The next train will leave at 5:15 p.m. At what time this information was given to the woman? The right answer is 4:25 p.m. The question's answer 44. If it is possible to make a meaningful word from the first, second, fourth and fifth letter of the word falsehood, then which will be the third letter from the right? Give your answer as a M if more than one word can be framed, and if no word can be framed, then give your answer as a X. So its right answer is M. Next question. For a lady runs 12 kilometers towards north, then 6 kilometers towards south, and then 8 kilometers towards east. How far is she from her starting point and in which direction? Correct answer is 10 kilometer northeast.